vision is not merely a dream. It's not what you do with your eyes closed. A vision is what you do conscious, open, active. And so the visionary gets it done.
And it is with a vision to foster a Jamaican economy that exceeds its growth targets that the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation continues to strive. The fiscal year that runs from April 2023 to March 2024, the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation is working with a budget of $15.9 billion for its day-to-day expenses. Of that amount, several agencies will have a share, namely the Forestry Department, National Land Agency, National Environment and Planning Agency, and the National Works Agency. $8.2 billion will see to road construction and repairs, other infrastructure development, and efforts to maintain the environment. From a further $1.5 billion allotted, the ministry will pursue squatter management, the strategic identification of land to facilitate housing developments, and social housing assistance programs. Water supply services will also share in the provision. The remaining amount will support economic growth and job creation activities in other areas. One component of this is the pre-investment planning for the Port Royal Master Plan, Government Oval, and the Houses of Parliament. For the financial year 2023, the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation will be spending approximately $33 billion on special projects. The majority share, in the form of $22.1 billion, is going to the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. It is jointly funded by the Government of Jamaica and a China Exim Bank loan. It is expected that by 2024, the Maypen to Williams Field and the Harborview to Cedar Valley pathways will all achieve full completion. Motorists traveling to Montego Bay are also set to soon have a safe and reliable alternative path to the second city. The government is shelling out $7.2 billion to make this a reality. The project will see the construction of 15 kilometers of a 4-lane carriageway from Iron Shore to Bogue. It is expected that the land to construct the new road will be acquired by next year. The National Road Operating and Construction Company, NROC, is approximating that 15% of construction will be completed by 2024. The tourist-filled capital will also see some road rehabilitation in its environs. Still on road repairs, residents of Grange Lane in St. Catherine can look forward to rehabilitations in that area.
What I want for Jamaica to do is to see the improvement in their communities, and I'm sure Jamaica has seen a vast improvement in the road conditions throughout the country.
The $878 million widening and dualization of Grange Lane is to be implemented by the National Works Agency starting this year. Entrepreneurs may want to celebrate the $1.1 billion that has been allotted to the Big E program. Funded by the European Union and the Inter-American Development Bank, the program was established to promote sustainable and robust growth among startups and MSMEs. A further $750 million will support access to finance for micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises. The program, which has been extended to January of next year, will see a complete capital injection into the SME Fund. The IDB-funded Credit Enhancement Fund, also designed to help MSMEs access financing, will wrap up activities with a $24.3 million in capital injection. It will end September of this year. Climate resistance and climate adaptation measures continue to be a priority of the government. This can be seen in the $405.6 million allocated to the Montego Bay Waterfront Protection Project. A complete rehabilitation of the Montego Bay groins is expected to reduce the loss of beachfront acreage due to coastal erosion. Likewise, the IEE Co and the Pilot Program for Climate Resilience PPCR2 programs, which received $146 million collectively, will assist in climate adaptation efforts.
Resilience, recovery, and renewal are very important concepts to the future development of Jamaica.
Other projects include continued work to renovate the United Nations House on Port Royal Street and an electronic land titling project.
We have the capacity to pursue huge, major development projects include the people, preserve the environment, and improve the general aesthetics so that the human condition and the human development can be maximized.